Wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, sir. What's your name?
My name is Ahmed, and I am the student of Quran. So my question is that there are conflicting information in Islam. For
How old are you?
12.
You're 12. That's your own question?
Yeah.
You came up with the word conflicting?
Yeah.
You're 12. What's your name?
Ahmed.
Ahmed, okay.
So, for
Go on.
example, today Muslims have different beliefs and practices. So, which one is right one to choose? Like in Pakistan, Sunni, Wahhabi, Shia, and so many others. So, it is very difficult for a common person to understand which one is the right one.
Who taught you these names? How do you know Shias and Sunnis?
I am from Pakistan, so
You heard it there?
Yeah.
Okay. They all mean the same thing. Okay. There are only two sects. What's your name, sorry? Ahmed. Ahmed, there are only two sects in Islam right now. Okay. Active Muslims and passive Muslims. Active, passive. You know what active, passive means? Why don't you take the microphone? I want to see what you're saying. I can't hear it.
Wait, is it like when you're studying English, when it's active and passive voice?
Yeah, no. Okay, let me tell you. Ahmed, active is when you're active in doing something, and passive is when you believe that no, nothing should be done. Okay? So only two sects. If a Shia Muslim is active to the Islamic purpose, he's right. If a Sunni is to the active purpose, he's activated to the purpose, he's right. Okay? If a Wahhabi is activated to the Islamic purpose, he's right. It doesn't matter. Anything else is just, it's just, they're all the same thing. If you're an active Muslim, then you're on the right path. Okay? Everybody else is still a Muslim. Okay? But if you're not active, it doesn't matter whether it's Sunni or a Shia or a Wahhabi. Okay? So two real sects, active Muslims and passive Muslims. So do you know the name of the Prophet Lut alayhi salam? Yeah? You heard the name Lut alayhi salam? Do you know what happened to his wife? When Allah Azza wa Jal put God's wrath on the land of Lut alayhi salam, okay? All nation was destroyed by Allah Azza wa Jal directly. Okay? So his wife, she was also destroyed. She was killed. The wife of the Prophet alayhi salam. Okay? And we now know through his, because we're Muslims, we were told in the Quran and the Hadith that she was not saved by Allah Azza wa Jal, because even though she was not wrong, she was not with the wrong people, she was not active with Lut alayhi salam. So the Prophet's wife, she was not saved by Allah. Allah Azza wa Jal gave her the same punishment as the people of the wrongdoers. She was not saved because she was just passive. She was like, I'll just be a spectator, I'm okay. I'm not a party to the crime. Okay? So you cannot be a passive Muslim. A Muslim cannot be a spectator. Either you're doing something for Islam or you're doing something against it. There is no middle ground here, okay? So there's the two sects. What are the two sects? You know what a sect is? A section, right? A compartment. Allah Azza wa Jalla says, وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا, do not make compartments inside Islam. Okay? Now we made two compartments. One is active, one is passive. So to be an active Muslim, you gotta learn, read, know what to do, and then do it. If you don't do it, doesn't matter what kind of knowledge you have. You're a passive Muslim. But if you're doing it, then you better be doing it according to the book. Be competent when you're doing it. If you're not competent, then don't do anything. Okay? Because if a doctor does not know what medicine is and he starts performing surgery, he's going to kill the patient, right? But he's doing it. He'll be like, Sahil, you told me to be an active Muslim. I chopped off my mother. You know? So, you need to be competent and then active. Okay, Ahmed? Only two sects. Every other name you're going to ever hear, not important. You can be any one of them, and if you're passive, doesn't matter. You're the problem. And if you're active Shia or active Sunni or active Babi, then you're not the problem. You're part of the solution. Okay? So either you're part of the solution or part of the problem. Depends on whether you're active or passive. Okay? So, just for a reminder, because you look 8, even though you're 12, how can you be active? Remind me, I just told you. Yes? Read, become competent and then do it. Okay? Go into the action of whatever is. Yeah, good job.